Hello,
Hello, teacher.
how are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
I'm doing great. What's your name?
My name is Anne.
Okay, how old are you?
I'm 8 years old.
Where are you from?
I'm from Vietnam.
Where do you live?
I live in Vietnam.
Okay, what's the name of your school?
The name of school is my school.
Okay, now, what's your favorite food?
My favorite food is chicken.
What is your favorite color?
My favorite color is red.
Do you like pet? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes. What pet do you like
I
best?
like dragonfly.
Again?
Dragonfly.
Dragonfly. Oh, very good. Okay, now, do you like fruits?
Yes.
Yes. What fruit do you like best?
I like silver apple.
Okay, now, can you count 1 to 50? Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay,
One.
please count.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15.
Okay, now, can you touch your body parts?
Yeah. Zip in my ear, zip in my eye, zip in my nose, zip in my mouth, zip in my hand, zip around my finger, zip in my arm, zip in my head.
Okay, can you talk slowly? Can you talk slowly? Now, again, can you touch your body parts?
Yeah.
These,
Zip in my ear, zip.
these are my ears.
Zip on my ear, zip on my eye, zip in my nose, zip in my mouth, zip up my hand, zip up my finger, zip on my arm, zip on my leg.
Okay, now are you ready? Now, Kids 1B final test speaking.
Little one is old, taking the two, we taking the two, big, long, little four is small, little five is round, young group, little six is first time, little seven is my second, little eight
Wash my face. Okay. Find the differences.
Water is on the grass, little finger. Water is on the rock, little one. The sky is green, little two. The sky is green.
Okay. Now, what can you see in
I
the
can
picture?
see 5 snakes. I can see a light. I can see 3 trees.
Trains. Okay. Odd one out.
The little one out because 2, 3, 4 is fruit. Little 3 is on out because 1, 2, 4 is in dog and little 3 is outdoor. Little 1 is on out because 1, 2, 3, 4 is animal and little 1 is bird. Little 4 is on out because little 1, 2, 3 is food and little 4 is green.
Okay, good job.